One of the goals we talk about here when attending events at Mercedes-Benz, to make it feel like you're walking into a friend's house. You're attending an event at some place that you belong. And certainly a metal detector didn't feel that way, and waiting in line isn't something that seems appropriate.
They see that line. Even if they get in fairly quickly, we can't deny that it felt like 30 minutes to the guest.
You're here to enjoy world-class events, from the Falcons or United to one of the many concerts or cups, whatever that is. We want you to enjoy that. And as much as we can introduce that frictionless experience, that's what we want to do, and that's what Evolv let us do.
Feedback from our fans since Evolv has been off the chart positive. 9 out of 10 fans now say that the security screening process is not a point of contention for them. We see it on the NFL reporting as well, where we rate in the top quarter of all NFL stadiums in response from fans regarding the entry experience. They're able to come through with those items and in some cases not have to divest anything from their bags or from their person.
The more friction we can take off of everybody arriving sets everybody up to have an awesome, event day experience.
Throughout the industry, every stadium is really experiencing hiring and staffing challenges, and we're no different from that. To operate 100 traditional walk-through metal detectors in the past, before Evolv, we would have utilized 250 staff. Now, let's take Evolv numbers. We now use 90 people. So it's almost a 60% reduction in our gate staffing and screening process.
Sometimes we have associates that are day in, day out with us that understand and work and know. And other times we have associates that we just get the opportunity to work with once or twice. One of the cool things about Evolv is that experience and that training is so intuitive and so simple that they can latch onto it, they can understand the process, they can provide that secure entry that we need.
So I can tell you how many weapons were detected, how many knives, how many what we call nuisance alarms, which is very few and tremendously reduced in comparison. For someone coming through a traditional walk-through metal detector, we averaged about 40% of those folks had to go back through. Then there was another percentage that had to even go through a more intrusive screening of a pat down. Now with Evolv, we have anywhere from as low as 6%, and our highest has been 12% on secondary screening. So think about the number of people we're able to not have to be so intrusive with for this process.
And you've got a team with Evolv that is just outstanding. They're engaged, they're responsive, and the product they put out is really second to none. It's durable. I mean, we bring these things in and out 50 times a year.
Mercedes-Benz Stadium is well known as being an innovator when it comes to technologies. They didn't want to stay with the old standard walk-through metal detectors. They challenged us and pushed us, which made us better.
Everyone across the board listens to the challenges we're having. They listen to the suggestions we have to make them better.
They gave us some great ideas, and we've continually, still to this day, work with their team on improving our system overall.
I'm so excited that we were the first NFL stadium to utilize Evolv.
We're doing better security. Our fans are safer with this technology. Couple that with a great fan experience and potentially some operational efficiency gain. Again, that's to me where it becomes really a no-brainer, and why wouldn't you do that?
This is the most innovative technology in my 20 years in the industry that I've seen.